Some signs and symptoms of whether or not your child could have a vision problem. So there's the obvious ones that everybody always thinks about, squinting. And that still holds true. A nearsighted person or a nearsighted child will squint to make their vision better. So if you see your child squinting or even closing an eye and turning a head, things like that, those are some outwardly obvious signs. There's also other obvious signs like an eye that's wandering in or out. A lot of people call that a lazy eye. Those are reasons, if you get past that 6 month to a year age in an infant, it's okay if your brand new baby's eye is wandering a little bit, that's normal. But if you get closer to that 6 month to a year age and it's still wandering, those are reasons that you want to get that checked out pretty quickly. Now, there's some not so obvious signs that your child could have a vision issue. One of them that people don't realize is if you see your child at their desk or their teacher sees their child at their desk and they're constantly leaning on an elbow and keeping a hand over one of their eyes, that can be a really hidden sign of a vision issue. And one of the reasons kids do that, or they put their head down on their desk, is because if a child or a person has double vision, the brain doesn't like that. It wants to do whatever it can to eliminate one of those images. So kids many times will put that hand up there to cover up one of their eyes so that they only have one image being seen by their brain. So it's really a self-defense mechanism that the child most of the time doesn't even realize why they're doing it, but it's a big warning sign for us. Also, again, any turning of the head or tilting of the head, those are signs many times of a vision issue. So they're not always the obvious thing. And because your child isn't squinting, doesn't mean their vision is perfect. So there's a lot of things that are really how they move on a playground, how they climb, their depth perception. Those are things that you need to be watching for that are lots of times vision issues.